Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and cleanliness. Charge the case and both earbuds fully so battery issues are out of the way. Once done, remove and inspect ear tips and the speaker mesh for wax or lint. Small debris causes sound and fit problems. Make sure charging pins look clean and align when docked because poor contact prevents charging. Also check your phone's Bluetooth and the Jbl app permissions, and note the firmware version so you know whether updates are needed for stability. You now reset and re-establish a clean connection. Perform the model-specific factory reset to clear corrupted settings. This often fixes one-sided audio and pairing loops. After resetting, forget the earbuds on your phone and pair them fresh. Use the Jbl app pairing mode when available because it pushes model tweaks. Then install any firmware updates. Updates fix Bluetooth stability and battery reporting. Once the update completes, reboot the earbuds and retest audio and mic functions. You finish by optimizing fit and verifying sound. Try different ear tip sizes and run test tracks to confirm seal and bass response because fit changes perceived problems. If the issue persists, test the earbuds on an alternate device to isolate phone versus earbud faults and document exact symptoms, firmware, and steps to reproduce the issue. If unresolved, contact Jbl support. Provide the serial number and detailed reproduction steps so they can triage warranty, escalate repairs, or recommend component replacement. This accelerates a resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.